GPT-5 and cursor is a mess. I dodged a bullet. Thank you, dude. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you for letting me know I'm the King Data dog, though. You know that. Yeah, it does seem like a mess. It's weird. I don't even understand why it's so bad in cursor, but it's pretty decent in chat GPT. Like, good for ideating, aiding with ideas. It's actually not that. It's 18, but you know. Let's have some lemonade and kick it. How about that? Let's have a little lemonade and just kick it today. That's probably why they give it for free in Cursor. One of them needs to change their names, by the way. And it's not going to be me. Called Sonic. Looks like Grok is coming out with a new model in a stealth manner. Okay. A little stealthy stealth by little Alani. Little Alani getting a little stealth action in it. Okay, let's see what she said. Okay, so I built a comprehensive multi-data backtest template system, which I asked you not to do, but it's okay, boo. Test any strategy on 10 plus data sources automatically. Just find your data sources. Exports results to CSV, Excel, and Markdown. Don't need all three. Simple to use. Convert any existing strategy with minimal changes. Batch testing. Test multiple strategies at once and compare. This is going to be sick. It's going to be sick, dude. Key files, data config. Configure all your data sources in one place. Currently has 10 BTC data sets. Strategy template. Base class for strategies with standardized funkies. Multi-data runner. Main runner that tests all data sources and exports results. Test template. Quick test script to verify everything works. All 20 plus stats and columns. One per row. Multiple sheets, we don't need that. Let's remove the multiple sheets and let's just have it be the CSV for now. So we'll just have CSV, no Excel, no Markdown. Also, we really need to think how to keep this as little files as possible. So as least over-engineered as possible. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and get this working with my consecutive down folder of strategies. So we need to build this in a way. Maybe you need to put it in the backtest folder regularly without being in its own folder. I don't know, but it needs to be super easy for us to use in the future. And in the future, I'll make a new folder with each idea in a new folder. And then I'll have like 10, 20 backtests in there. But they should all be able to run through this multi-data template or configuration. It would be nice if we just had one file really that stored the data files and anything we needed, because again, we're going to need to have a whole nother file for the backtest. You see what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to over-engineer this and make it super simple and just make it like one file where I can put all of the stuff that is consistent, like the CSVs, of course, at the top of that file. Okay, go ahead and take that feedback, make it much simpler, and maybe consider putting it directly in the backtest folder so it's easily grabbed from anywhere else if needed. I do like the results folder I do like a results folder to keep it clean though. 777, you making your own backtesting library? No. Not doing that. Not doing that. But I am making a way to backtest a lot of data easier. So I don't have to keep playing around and be like, okay, I'm gonna test this data, this data, this data. No, I just want a unified way to test a bunch of different types of data, whether that's 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, uh, market open, market close, you know, a bunch of data sources so I can test every strategy consistently across the same data sets without spending a bunch of time. Because you know what they say about time, dog.